Ya Allah, jadikanlah jiwa putriku ini sekental jiwa Siti Hajar ketika terdampar di padang pasir yang tandus. Tidak ada ayah yang sanggup melihat putrinya terluka. Dan hadiah terbaik yang diberikan oleh seorang ayah kepada putrinya hanya satu, yaitu melindungi.
Assalamualaikum to all viewer. So today we're gonna review a movie that is called Bisik Pada Langit. So firstly, I want to ask Ishad, can you tell us the cast of this movie?
Okay, thank you Nazmi. This film actor Bisik Pada Langit, a talent actor and has a big name in the national film industry like Jalil Hamid as a Wak Selamat, Umi Nazira as a Siti Hajar, Beta Kushairi as a Zaidi, Naim Daniel as a Ikram, Erwin Dyson as a Irwan, and Fadilah Mansur as a Zainab.
Okay, thank you Ishad. Idlan, can you tell us a little bit about this movie?
The summary Bisik Pada Langit is Wak Selamat is the father of one Siti Hajar who is to study abroad. As a father, Wak does everything he can in order to fulfill her dreams. Her two brothers are also more than willing to sacrifice their own future just so their sister could further her studies. The family has high hopes for her when Siti finally makes it to Perth, South Australia. However, things takes a turn when Siti gets involved in an accident, and Wak has to find a way to visit his daughter is now lying in coma.
Okay, thank you Idlan. Next, Hafiz, can you tell us about the crew production of this movie?
Crew production Bisik Pada Langit is directed by Kabir Bhatia with original ideas and stories by former entertainment journalist Saniboy Ismail dan script written by Sofia J. Raylan and Maizura Idris.
Okay, thank you Hafiz. So next, Ikmal, I hear that this movie have some interesting fact.
Okay, thank you Nazmi for the question. The interesting fact about this film is the film was originally a telefilm that was supposed to be screened on Astrofirst exclusive. It was eventually lifted to the silver screen. The film is carried out at Labu Negeri Sembilan and Perth, Australia.
Okay, thank you Ikmal. Luqman, can you tell us a little bit about the plot twist of this movie?
Sure. Okay. Thanks for your question. Plot of plot twist. Okay. First, Siti Hajar when arrived at the band, suddenly her motorcycle was an accident. The real cause of Siti Hajar death was actually not being riding a motorcycle very fast, but the fact that she died because the tire motorcycle had an accident. Thank you.
Thank you Luqman. So next, Ahmad Hisham. Why do you think you enjoy watching this movie?
Okay, thank you Muhammad Nazmi. Good question. Now, I will tell you why I enjoy watch this movie. I enjoy this movie because this movie tell about Wak Selamat love Siti Hajar who study overseas more than Zaidi and Ikram. Zaidi Ikram just work in his hometown only and live Wak Selamat. But after the tragedy, Siti Hajar accident, Wak Selamat realized that he still had Zaidi and Ikram who always accompanied and helped he when in trouble. Thank you.
Okay, thank you Ahmad Hisham. Next, we have talked a lot about Bisik Pada Langit. So why do you think others should watch this movie?
Thank you for the question, Azmi. The reason why people should watch this movie is because this movie has a good message to be delivered to the viewers, which is about the importance of having family in our life. Second is that the cast are well trained. This can be clearly seen when they have to put a lot of effort in controlling their emotions to make the movie looks real. Next is that this movie has the best storyline, which is about a father who willing to sacrifice everything for his daughter to achieve her dream to study abroad.
Okay, thank you Nakio. Same question. Jabbar, why do you think others should watch this movie?
Okay, thank you, Nazmi. That is a very interesting question. Viewers must watch this movie because this film exhibit a lot of noble values, including the values of tolerance. For example, Zaidi tolerates with his sister Siti Hajar by sacrifice his desire to pursue his studies and give Siti Hajar the opportunity to continue the study in Perth, Australia.
Okay, thank you Jabbar.
So Nazmi, what character that you like the most in this movie?
Thank you Nakio for the question. So the character that I like the most in this movie is Zaidi, because he is so strong-willed, patient, and tolerating. He gave up his study so that her sister can study in Perth, Australia.
Tak boleh nak jaga dia dah. Kawan dengan entah siapa, tak tahu asal usul mana. Tambah ni pula, dia buat semua hal untuk Hajar. Habis aku ni kat sini termangung-mangung nak buat apa?
Bang kau. Sampai sanggup tuduh kakak kau buat benda-benda yang merepek.
Mak dengan bapak yang kehilangan anaknya lebih dahsyat kedukaannya daripada anak hilang mak bapaknya.